Oh no, pang morena ba talaga to?
Another day, another budol. As your morena girly, I deal with lots of dark marks and discoloration around the eyes and mouth. Kaya I get scared on tinted sunscreens. Kasi wala tayong shade match, nagmumukha tayong espasolpe. At first, akala ko mali yung nabili ko. Parang ang putibes. But I still tried blending kasi ang satisfying naman talaga sa feeling. Honestly, nagsasecond guess na ako nito. Baka nga epic fail to. Pero sabi dito sa TikTok, morena friendly daw to. As a new affiliate, ako na naman yung nabudol. So, budol nga ba to? As I kept on blending, ayun no, glowing siya bes. May tune-up effect talaga. But what I love the most, it feels like a light moisturizer, then heavy tinted sunscreen. The consistency is light as a lotion. Hindi siya yung parang makapal na foundation. I check sa mirror and sa camera. Hindi siya nabibigyan ng justice ng camera, be. Ang ganda niya sa salamin. Yes, medyo light siya, so if you have dark spots like me, you may need to add a concealer. Pero overall, morena skin approved to.